So a lot of people will say that fruit is bad for weight loss. They say that fruit has got too much carbohydrates. Fruit has got too much sugar in it, and everybody knows they say that sugar makes you fat. Well, one of the things they're not actually taking into consideration that most fruits out there is relatively low in fat, and they've got tons of fiber, tons of vitamins, tons of minerals for your body. And because fruit is low in fat, it's better to have something like that as a form of, like, say, like breakfast, as a form of your carbohydrates, than loading up on like bacon and eggs first thing in the morning. In fact, there's people who are seeing results right now just from switching their breakfast to fruit, just from having a fruit breakfast or having a smoothie for breakfast containing fruit. And we have to analyze some of these individuals whenever they say carbs make you fat, so no fruits, and ask yourself, where are they getting their energy? Because a lot of the times they're relying on coffee. Whenever you go on a no carb diet, keto diet, low carb diet, people are relying on the use of coffee for energy. We don't have a coffee deficiency in our society. We're not supposed to rely on coffee for energy. We should have energy naturally from the way we eat and how we live. And let me tell you something. If you want to have good fitness, if you want to be able to run and dance and have energy to be able to live your life with passion, you need clean sources of carbohydrates to do that. And fruit is one of the best, cleanest sources of carbohydrate out there. Don't listen to people when they say no carbs. They're normally talking about pizza, cake, buns, cookies, crisps, all these different things that they call a carbohydrate. And because they call that a carbohydrate, they lump all carbohydrates in there, like sweet potatoes and bananas and dates. No, they are not the same. Not all carbohydrates are created equal. Pizza, Doritos, freaking cakes, buns, and cookies have like 50% of their calories coming from fat in the form of like oil and butter and cream and cheese and stuff like that. So don't put those carbohydrates. I can't even call them carbohydrates. Don't put those foods in the same category as fruits and steamed sweet potato. Okay, because they're different. People who live on fruit and steamed sweet potatoes see results. They see results. So that being said, peace, love, veganism. I'm out. Weight Loss Wednesday. Hope you have a great day. Don't listen to these people saying don't eat fruit. Smash it in.